How to create Lyft account. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Lyft app on your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app Lyft and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of interface. Now go ahead and click on the option of Get Started. Now from here, you can easily sign up for Lyft account. All you have to do is provide the phone number, or you can continue with Apple ID. First up, select your country. Now go ahead and type in your phone number. In the case you want to use Apple ID, you just have to click on continue with Apple and then provide your Apple ID credentials. But for this video, I'm gonna use phone number. After you type in the phone number, click on continue with phone. Now over here, you will need to type in the 6-digit code that you have received in your phone number. After you type in the code, click on next, and with that your account will be created. So this way you can easily create your Lyft account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.